Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a quick video on my 2013 Corvette Grand Sport. I've had a few people comment on a couple other videos I got asking about more details, so I figure I'll make just a quick walk around video explaining the mods and what else I've done to it. Alright guys, here's my 2013 Corvette Grand Sport 3LT trim package. Mine has the 6L 80E transmission, which is automatic. The mods are I have the ECS 1500. I upgraded the 6 rib to 8 rib belt setup, LS9 head gaskets, ARP head bolts, Innovator's West balancer. You got the Texas Speed Stage 4 F35 cam and valve spring kit. Also have the Trunion upgrade. For exhaust, I got the Cook long tube headers with the Cook's off-road X pipe. I'm just running the factory NPP exhaust, which in my opinion is one of the best exhausts because you get the best of both worlds. Quiet when you want it to be and extremely loud when you get on it. As far as the trans, I got a Circle D billet torque converter, 3800 stall, and to get all the power to the pavement, I'm running some Mickey Thompson's ET Street SS. Guess I'll do a quick startup. It is warm. I have been driving it around, which I don't normally do, but it's beautiful weather, so I figure I'll take advantage of it. So I'll do a quick startup and maybe do a couple little pulls. All right guys, there it is. First time taking the car to the track. I really didn't know what to expect. I was hoping for a 10-second time slip, and sure enough, it performed flawlessly. It dead hooked off the line. It ran 1070 one time and 1075 the other time. So I'm more than happy with the results. I know I still have a lot of room to grow if I decide if I want to switch over to E85. Boost cars, they love E85 and they run a lot better. I could probably pick up another 80 horsepower if I switch over to E85. But I have to build a fuel system and do all that, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get into that right now, just because I got a lot of other projects going on in the garage. But overall, I had a good time. It was successful. It didn't break and it didn't crash. So thanks for watching. Please do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment and I'll respond pretty quickly. Thanks for watching.